Hi everyone, I am M.Yogadharani, working as assistant professor in computer science department from the Asnes College of Engineering. I handling subject introduction to data science. In this subject, we are going to see a topic on SQL and indexes. So, what is SQL? SQL is a structured query language. Here, commands are the instructions used to communicate with the database to perform tasks, functions, and queries with the data. SQL commands can be used to search the database and to do other functions like creating tables, adding data to tables, modifying data, and dropping data. Some of the SQL tags such as select, it means it extracts data from database. Update, it refers update data in a database. Delete, syntax for delete data from database. Insert into function used to insert new data into a database. Create database helps to create a new database. Alter database, it refers modifies a database. Create table, which is used to create a new table. Alter table means modify a table. Drop table means delete a table. Create index means it create index such as a search key, it acts as search key. And drop table means it deletes an index. First, how to create a database. See, these are the syntaxes. First, we create database name, comma, create table, and then create table name with the parameters of column 1 data type, column 2 data type, and column 3 data type, and so on. Here example, we create database student information as a table, and create table for second year students, such as I want a column such as serial number, name, register number, and like that. And this function is for alter a table. Alter table name. Example, alter table student information. I want to add marks in that table. Add column name and what kind of data type as a marks. Drop table mean drop table name. Example, drop table student info. Create index. Create indexes. Create index name on table name, column 1 and column 2. And drop index. Here drop index name on table name. See, these are the SQL commands, functions, and syntax. Next, we are going to see about indexes. See, an index contains keys built from one or more columns in the table or a view. These keys are stored in a structure like B tree that enables SQL servers to find the rows or rows associated with the key values quickly and efficiently. And SQL Server documentation uses the term B tree generally in refers to indexes. And indexes are classified as two types: clustered index and non-clustered index. See, clustered index store the data rows in the table or view based on their key values. These are the columns included in the index definition. There can be only one clustered index per table because the data themselves can be stored in only one order. The only time data rows in a table are stored in a stored order in when the table contains a cluster index. When a table has a cluster index, the table is called as cluster table. If a table has no cluster index, its data rows are stored in an unordered structure called a heap. And the second type is non-clustered. Non-clustered indexes have a structure separate from data rows. A non-clustered index contains the non-clustered index key value, and each key value entered has a pointer to a data row that contains the key value. The pointer from an index row in a non-cluster index to a data row is called a row locator. The structure of the row locator depends on whether the data pages are stored in a heap or a cluster table. For a heap, a row locator is a pointer to the row. For a cluster table, the row locator is the cluster index key. Here, we can add non-key column to the leaf level of the non-cluster index to bypass existing index key limits and execute fully covered index and queries. Both cluster and non-cluster indexes can be unique, which means no two rows can have the same value for the index key. Otherwise, the index is not unique and multiple rows can share the same key value. And commands such as this is the syntax for create index. Create index name on table name, and the first one is single column index. A single column index is created based on only one table column. The syntax as create index name on table name within a parenthesis, column name, semicolon. And unique indexes are used not only for performance but also for data integrity. A unique index does not allow any duplicate values to be inserted into the table. The syntax as create index unique index name on table name, cobble name. And composite indexes is an index on two or more columns of a table, and the basic syntax is create index name on table name within a parenthesis, column 1, column 2, etc. Implicit indexes. Implicit indexes are the indexes that are automatically created by the database server when an object is created. Indexes are automatically created for primary key constraints and unique constraints. And next one is drop index command. An index can be dropped using SQL drop command, but care should be taken when dropping an index because the performance may either slow down or improve. And this syntax for drop index is drop index name. Thank you. In next section we are going to see about introduction to machine learning. Thank you.